Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation building and sustainable development. What if your greatest weakness could become your greatest strength? This is the story of a man who was forged not by fire, but by failure. Stay tuned to the end, because his journey will remind you that setbacks are not the end, but the beginning of something unstoppable. And now, today's event. World Habitat Day. What if the place you call home could change your future? On this World Habitat Day, discover why safe, healthy homes matter, not just for you, but for your whole community and country. Stay with us to hear powerful stories from two people whose lives transformed because of better housing. Their journeys will inspire you to believe in the power of a home. Theme: Urban Crisis Response. On this World Habitat Day, we celebrate the importance of safe, affordable, and sustainable homes. Our homes are more than shelter, they are the foundation of strong families, communities, and nations. A good home provides security, health, and opportunity. It protects us from harm and gives us space to grow, learn, and thrive. When individuals live in safe and comfortable homes, they feel more confident and motivated. Communities with better housing enjoy stronger ties, less crime, and improved health. On a national level, good housing supports economic growth and social stability. World Habitat Day reminds us that everyone deserves a decent place to live, and that housing is key to building a better future for all. Stories of impact. Testimony 1. Samuel, 23, the new homeowner. Before, my family lived in a small, unsafe house that often leaked when it rained, Samuel shares. After joining a housing project in our town, we got a new home that is strong and warm. Now I have a quiet place to study, and my younger siblings are healthier. This home gave me hope to work hard and dream bigger. Just a quick break, please. If you are gaining something from this video and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more global events contents. Subscription is absolutely free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you and welcome back. Testimony 2. Aisha, 35, the community leader. Aisha works with a group that helps rebuild neighborhoods. When we started fixing broken houses and building parks, people began to feel proud of their community again, she explains. Families stay longer, kids play outside safely, and neighbors support each other. It's not just houses we build, it's a future full of promise. Thanking the unsung heroes. Thank you to the builders, planners, community volunteers, and leaders who work tirelessly behind the scenes. Your dedication turns dreams of safe homes into reality. You create spaces where families can grow, learn, and build hope. To those watching, if you haven't yet been part of a housing or community project, there is no better time to start. Whether through volunteering, sharing ideas, or supporting local efforts, your help can change lives. Together, we can ensure that everyone has a place to call home. Final reflection: good housing is more than bricks and walls, it's about dignity, opportunity, and belonging. When we build better homes, we build stronger people, communities, and nations. Happy World Habitat Day. Let's work together to create homes and communities that inspire hope and growth for all. Let's raise our glasses to toast and honor the unsung heroes, the builders, planners, community volunteers, and leaders who work tirelessly behind the scenes. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbe. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. The 7th of October, World Cotton Day. The 9th of October, World Post Day. The 10th of October, World Mental Health Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.